What is going on YouTube? Here I'm back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at XRP. We're also going to be looking at quite a bit of things on the market right now. If you guys haven't been paying attention, you notice that XRP, as well as the rest of crypto, is pretty much dropping in price. This is something we have finally been waiting for, and I do have some very important things to share with you guys and very important topics to discuss in regards to BitMEX, in regards to the markets falling, in regards to which exchanges to be using as we capitalize off this short and correction in price. Otherwise, we're also going to be looking at Bitcoin, potentially the S&P 500, maybe some other altcoins. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe. Turn on post notification, as this does help out the YouTube algorithm. Follow me on Twitter, CryptoVOfficial. This way, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can DM me over there. Otherwise, let's jump into today's episode. So guys, happy Friday. In today's video specifically, we're going to be looking at the current YouTube channel. As you guys can see, just yesterday we made a video basically saying time has run out for basically XRP, and I did want to discuss pretty much exactly where we're going to be moving to. Now, I know that I do have a bullish arrow here. It is clickbait, of course it is, but if you actually watched the video in depth, you would understand why it was mentioned like that. And the fact is that we were in some sort of descending channel that was forming here. You can clearly see as we battle out the moving average and resistance, they're starting to flop and correct downwards, which is great. Now that we're finally seeing some sort of directional movement on the channel, we can finally capitalize off these, off these movements. I do just want to shout out two things real quick. Obviously, definitely make sure to check out my Patreon. The link is in the description down below. We have an active community of 100 people, or about 100. I'm trying to get it to 100. We have 96 people so far in our group right here, 96 patrons. We're trying to hit 100, so just 4 more people will be a great goal to battle once again, but we do have different tiers, so depending on what you're interested in, if you're interested in XRP, you want the gold trader, which I recommend, or higher to get more content and information over there that I specifically hold for those people on Patreon, definitely make sure to check it out. I did put a link in the description. It is definitely worth something to check out, as this will benefit you guys, as well as you will understand my trades, as I do only post my trades on Patreon for those who are diehard interested or just curious to learn. So definitely help me reach the 100 goal that we have. Otherwise, I am doing a give back. I am doing the $200 USDT trading bonus giveaway on DueDEX. So if you're interested in signing up for that as well, I did put a link in the description down below. Completely free to enter. 7 ways to enter the raffle. Definitely make sure to sign up. 18 days left for this. We have over 500 entries, so definitely make sure to take advantage of this. You got to be in it to win it. But otherwise, moving on to the rest of today's episode, there's so much to talk about. It's hard to really figure out exactly what it is to reference. But let's start with XRP for right now. So this was a huge opportunity that we just saw on XRP. We're starting to now correct lower. We're starting to dip, and this is a huge sign. The fact that we're hitting resistance right here and correcting lower is a great understanding. The fact that we're probably going to see, in more macroeconomic standpoint, a correction to the downside, a resistance and a drop that could pull us all the way down to 20 cents. I mean, the past, I'd say, week, we've literally been trading at about 23 to 24 cents with zero movement. Right here, 24 cents, just sideways trading for 6 to 7 days. You're finally seeing that rejection off resistance here, as not only we're hitting the moving average and resistance, but Bitcoin is starting to exit its massive symmetrical triangle that it's formed ever since July. So July, August, September, October, it's been about 4 months of just consolidation within this symmetrical triangle. Obviously, some great trades were made during this time, but for right now, the consolidation has given us some opportunities to capitalize off the movement. Now, I know a lot of you guys are asking me, how do we take advantage of this drop? How do we take advantage of what could be moving very soon? So I actually did post a link in the description. This is for Bityard. This is an account we've been using for quite some time now. Obviously, things look great. I mean, I am extremely excited to trade on XRP right here. You can see I'm pulling it up right now. We're actually just dropping right as I speak below its, its moving averages. It's 20-day and it's, where is it? It's 5-day moving average. So pretty much everything we're correcting below. The 20-day, the 40-day, the 10-day moving averages, and we are correcting lower. There's a very high chance we're going to drop even farther than that. It's pretty much just a matter of, are you guys in it to win it, or are you going to, are you a little too nervous? But here's the great thing about Bityard. So the past couple of weeks, I've been testing it out, making some very profitable trades. But I do want to talk about how exactly we can continue to capitalize off that. So there's definitely a lot of beginners that watch the YouTube videos, and there's definitely a lot of more advanced people that trade following me. So there's definitely two ways you can move around this. And this is why I like it so much. Obviously, I do recommend that you guys fund the account, put some sort of deposit in for when you're ready. Then you have the availability and the possibilities of capitalizing off of big movement gains. But if you're not just yet and you don't want to trade, like I said, I do recommend funding it. You can leave a couple $100 in the account, but don't trade with it just yet. That's not the only way. You can swap over to the demo version, which is what I love about this exchange. The fact that they even offer a demo version to actually not only test your skills, but it allows you to trade around with cryptocurrency and potentially, make possible money using your methods that we learn, A, on the channel, and B, that you've developed yourself. So by clicking demo, you can see I actually have a trade in right now, just a quick one. So I opened one just a couple of minutes ago, maybe like 20 minutes ago. Basically, I leverage traded Bitcoin right now, meant to do XRP, but I'm leverage trading Bitcoin right now at 10,467. I wonder if it's going to show if I click back to BTC, wherever it is. No, it doesn't really show there. So what I meant to do was actually short XRP, but you can short XRP if you want. It's totally up to you. But look at this. So you can saw my balance over here. I did actually liquidate some to pay some bills, but I'm back at a balance of what I thought was about 60 here. It is $60 in USDT. Obviously, I'm going to put some more in there after I'm done paying my bills. But on Bityard, you can see the balance is in 100,000 USDT, which is incredible. It's a demo account, so pretty much you can just test your skills right now. I've only been in the market for about 10 minutes so far, and we're up about 5% in gains. Potential gains is about 25 USDT, which is incredible on a $500 leverage trade. That is 30 times in margin. So you can see the amount of money is incredible that you can pretty much make off of a small amount of cryptocurrency. Now, obviously it's higher risk, but that's why the demo account is so beneficial, because this allows you to test your knowledge, test your skills, see if you got what it takes to make money in the crypto market. So definitely make sure to check out Bityard. I did link it in the description. It is doing incredible right now. I'm extremely impressed and extremely happy, but mainly circling everything back into the real money that we're talking about right now. Obviously, our main focus right now is on Bitcoin and XRP. We really need to just get a general understanding. Is Bitcoin going to break below its moving averages? That's what we need to talk about. Now, obviously, we're starting to see what appears to be a potential bearish cross on the market, which is a great sign. But is it going to hold out? If we can actually close a candle, which we're doing really well so far, but if we close the candle below obviously this uptrend right here, and we break below here, and then we close below the move averages, then there's a guaranteed factor that we are going to short the market. I've linked it all in my Patreon. Definitely check it out if you want my specific trades, but there's a good chance we're going to be breaking bearish and correcting through there. So given and granted those understandings, definitely make sure to check it out. Definitely make sure to understand that we are probably going to see a dip very soon, and we're going to be making some big money here. So definitely make sure to check it out. Like I said, to, kind of refresh everything and summarize everything we discussed, we're pretty much breaking bearish right now. This is the daily candle that we just opened. We're closing, or we're trading below the uptrend right here, which is a great sign. We're right now battling this support, this moving average support. But if we manage to close today or tomorrow's candle below this moving average here, expect a massive rejection and a massive correction in price that we will be shorting on Bityard. Take advantage of it. Sign up to Bityard. Obviously, we're seeing some MACD bearish signs. We could see a bearish cross right here. We really just need that confirmation. And then obviously, XRP looks extremely bearish as it probably hit its top, and we're most likely going to consolidate all the way back down to, I would say, 20 cents easy. So take advantage of that. Otherwise, the S&P 500 is pretty much just flatlined out right now, trading sideways. No real movement right now in this monthly candle that we just started. So I do believe that in long term, we are going to correct lower, but it's just a matter of time, and just we have to pay attention to it and just see which direction it really wants to go. When we do get that confirmation, then we'll be buying in once again. And then, or sorry, once we do get that confirmation, obviously you can probably find websites to short the S&P 500, but merely for right now, I do believe it's going to correct lower, and that just means that I pulled my money out of the S&P 500, out of my Roth. I'm waiting to buy in when we're lower down, like closer to here, and then anticipating that that's the bottom, and we're going to start to swing back up. So that's pretty much what I'm talking about. Now, I do believe there's other things we can trade, maybe not on the live demo. I don't know. I thought there were like gold and stuff. I'm pretty sure there is. There is an innovative area, which is pretty awesome. So you got all these other cryptos to trade. But I do believe there was gold or something that we could trade. It's not really working right now, but definitely check it out. Obviously, check out the fact that you can now short cryptocurrency and test it out in a beta version on a demo account. So check it all out, guys. Otherwise, definitely make sure to enter the giveaway link in the description. Follow me on, or subscribe to me on YouTube. This does help support the YouTube algorithm, as well as we're trying to get the channel to 20,000. Otherwise, follow me on Twitter, CryptoVOfficial, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.